Braid Show. I'm your host, Mr. Big Braids, coming to you live from reservation somewhere, taking a look at BTC. I dropped a few videos earlier and had some mic issues. I went back and checked the videos, made some awesome videos to you guys too. I was talking for, had some awesome, amazing sales price action across the board. We got BTC coming in with that bear flag that we've been talking about over the past few days. Came underneath that 786 on that short term, so I definitely got my eyes on that 18,567. If we lose that price action, I'm definitely out here looking at that 9,954. I'm definitely getting excited. You know, I love that sales price action across the board. Just wanted to do a quick update on BTC. Got sales price action going on across the board. I went, man, I did many videos tonight too. We went over Gala, we went over Metaverse, we went over ALCX. I had my streamer key hooked up to it, and definitely should be recorded someplace, so I'm definitely looking for it, and I'm going to get those videos posted as soon as possible. But I wanted to release a video on BTC for at least, you know, before it gets too late. So we got BTC, you know, setting up with that sales price action that we've been talking about since November. We've been looking for this low price action at this, had this 10,000 out there as far as wishful thinking, but we definitely had that 18,000 out there as far as sales price action that we were looking for. It's definitely got that sales price accumulation on BTC and the rest of the market. Oh yeah, some sales price action ALCX. I'm definitely looking for those videos, doing some good records. We went over ALCX all the way up to NK and went Jasmine APE. APE's getting some decent price action. You know, Jasmine, I'm out here loving that 008 action on that. You know, I still got my eyes on that 007, so loving that accumulation across the board. You know, as far as making some movement to the upside, we definitely got to get over that 0.0141 and start making some movement to the upside. APE coming out sales price action at 597. You know, still got some making some decent tracks up to the upside. Got a few areas of interest that been definitely keeping my eyes on. I got this moving up towards the 733. If we can't get over that price action, could see some consolidation down to that 544. And if we lose that 544, definitely could see some consolidation down towards that 618. And then if we lose that 618, we just definitely got to keep it on that 786. 350. So keep an eye on that price action, keep an eye on BTC. We'll do some follow-up videos tomorrow and see where we're at. We got IODEX coming out at 0.0382, ACH at 0.0140, Scale at 0.0473. Price action across the board. Just want to do a quick update on BTC. I'm definitely excited to see where we're going. Holding back on that, you know, those videos as far as getting some BTC gravity, because we could get some awesome sales price action. So I'm definitely staying lurking out. I got the coffee brewing, and I just want to go over all the sales price action again, but throat is killing me at the moment, so I did so many good videos, it was awful, and but I just wanted to keep an eye on that. We came underneath that 76 on BTC, came under that 21,549, coming out at 21,191. Bear flag is setting up, and you know, I'm definitely out here looking for some lower price action, but you still got people out there calling for some higher price action. And you know, with everybody saying, well, we gotta wait for the Fed meeting on Wednesday, and you know, that's still, you know, a few days away. So I mean, we're waiting for, you know, different bullish news to come out. But at this point, I've been definitely out here looking for some lower price action. Everybody's calling me crazy. There are videos like it's going to the moon here, but here we are back underneath that 786 with that bear flag at place, and I'm definitely out here looking for this lower price action. Got my eyes on that 9954. Am I going to get that price action? That just remains to be seen. So keep an eye on that price action, keep an eye on BTC, keep an eye on the news. We'll do some follow-up videos tomorrow and see where we're at. So everybody in BTC and the rest of the market, good luck. And you always got to remember, this is not financial advice. These are my views and opinions on the market only, and you always got to do what's right for you. So you always have a good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good night. Mr. Big Braids is signing out.